Hello everyone, and today we are here at Dyker Heights in New York City. Dyker Heights, it's a neighborhood where it's filled with Christmas lights and Christmas trees, and it's very festive.
Dyker Heights, a quiet residential neighborhood in southwest Brooklyn, transforms each winter into one of New York City's most dazzling spectacles. Known around the world for its legendary Christmas light displays, Dyker Heights becomes a living storybook where ordinary homes turn into glowing works of art. As evening falls, the streets come alive with color. Twinkling lights trace rooftops, towering nutcrackers stand guard on front lawns, and illuminated Santas, angels, and reindeer seem to greet every visitor. Dyker Heights Christmas lights tradition began in the 1980s in this Brooklyn neighborhood known for its large, elegant homes. Residents started decorating extravagantly to celebrate the season and express neighborhood pride. The display grew when homeowners like Lucy Spada encouraged increasingly elaborate decorations featuring towering nutcrackers, angels, Santas, and dazzling lights. By the 1990s, Dyker Heights had become famous across New York City and beyond, attracting visitors from around the world. Some homes feature synchronized lights and music, while others showcase life-size figures and animated scenes that delight children and adults alike. Despite the scale, the heart of Dyker Heights remains rooted in community pride and holiday spirit. Walking through the neighborhood feels like stepping into a festive dream. The cold winter air carries laughter, camera clicks, and the hum of excited conversation. Families stroll hand in hand, friends pause to admire particularly elaborate homes, and visitors from around the world gather to experience this uniquely New York tradition. Local residents often stand outside, answering questions, smiling at passersby, and sharing in the joy they help create. Beyond the lights, Dyker Heights represents something deeper, the power of tradition, creativity, and shared celebration. For a few magical weeks each year, this Brooklyn neighborhood becomes a symbol of warmth and wonder, reminding everyone that joy can be created, one light at a time, right at home.
We are here at Dyker Heights. It's a famous neighborhood here in New York City that is very festive. It's really beautiful.
Visiting the Dyker Heights Christmas lights felt like stepping into a shared dream shaped by generosity and joy. As I walked the glowing streets, I reflected on how simple traditions can unite strangers through wonder. Each home told a story of care, creativity, and pride, reminding me that celebration is often an act of giving. The crowds, laughter, and cold air created a sense of belonging, even among people who had never met. Dyker Heights showed me that magic doesn't require grand travel. Sometimes it lives in neighborhoods where people choose, year after year, to light the darkness together.
Go right there. Ready? 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. All of you. Stand.
That was definitely on.
Dyker Heights is one of the best places to experience the magic of Christmas in New York City. There are several ways to reach Dyker Heights, but the most efficient and cheapest way is by taking the R train to 86th Street, then taking the bus B1 to 86th and 11th Avenue. The best and extravagant decorated houses are located on 84th Avenue.